Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Skoda Fabia 81 TSI wagon, stock reference number 4811. This shape runs from the first month 2015 through to the fourth month 2017. It has a CJZD 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CJZD 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. The left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a flat bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with the average tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio and cruise. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.